In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload a photo from your phone. So download the Cricut app. Just go to your app store and download Cricut Design Space. Hit the add sign, the plus sign. Click on upload. Select a photo from photo library. I'm going to click on this photo. I do have the Cricut access, so if I would like to remove the background, I could. See, quick and easy way to remove background from image. That's if you pay for the Cricut access. So let's just hit remove background. You see it removed the background for me. I hit apply. Then I hit flat graphic. Next. And I save the image name as her. Hit upload. Now let's just say I want the background. So I go back to upload, select from photo library. I click on the photo. I exit out and I hit apply because I want to keep the background. Hit flat graphic. Hit next. And I save it under her. And the reason why I upload my photos to my phone, because sometimes when I upload, like send it to my email, the pictures be pixelated. So if I upload it directly from my phone into Cricut Design Space, I still have my pictures the way how they are. So let's get into this video.